Former chairpersons and commissioners of the National Youth Commission or NYC band together to urge the Commission on Elections or Comelec to junk Duterte Youth Chairman Ronald Cardema's substitution bid. The letter was signed by former chairpersons Ay Sigera, Gio Tingson, and Leon Flores III, and former commissioners Dingdong Dantes, Percy Sendana, JP Peñol, and Erwin Andaya. The letter reads, quote, "We call for the outright dismissal of the applications of Duterte Youth Chairman Ronald Cardema and 4 others submitted as substitute nominees for Duterte Youth Party List." The former NYC officials present 3 grounds for the dismissal. Cardema and all the other nominees fall outside the age prescribed by the law. Irregularities and glaring procedural anomalies in the application for accreditation, notices of withdrawal, and the applications for substitution. Cardema used government resources to campaign for the party list group as former NYC chair. More than 10 petitions from election lawyers, watchdogs, and youth groups were filed before the poll body opposing Cardema's substitution bid. In a Comelec First Division hearing on Ronald Cardema's case Tuesday, June 11, Comelec Commissioner Rowena Guanzon says the party list's accreditation may be cancelled if it fails to publish its new set of nominees 5 days after it received the poll body's resolution.